My name is Esben Østergaard and I'm the ambassador for R-22. So Odense is right now one of the leading hubs in robot technology and one of the most exciting places to be in robotics. So there's so much potential in robotics that it makes a lot of sense to start an event that can connect all the different technologies with all the different needs for robotics around the world. The role R-22 can play is to connect some of the different technologies with some of the different new industries in robotics. Small and medium-sized companies need to know about the possibilities. All the startups need to know about the customer needs, and the various students and tech people also want to understand how this whole thing plays together. Plus, we now have a group of investors combined with the interest from the public sector and also private sector from other countries. So I think an event like this can be part of connecting all that. At R-22, I'm looking very much forward to seeing all the different initiatives going on in robotics, all the new technologies coming, and how that plays together with the market needs. And as an investor, I'm also, of course, interested in looking for good investment opportunities. People should visit R-22 if they want to learn more about what robotics is and what it can do for them and how it can help develop their business.